Thousands of Arambai Tengol warriors vowed to save Manipur, offer tribute to martyrs. Arambai Tengol, a Meitei socio-cultural organization, today offered tributes to martyrs of the ethnic violence in Manipur triggered by Chinkukizo terrorists since May 3rd at Thangmaiban Athletics Union, Thao Ground, on the occasion of 127th birth anniversary of Lamyanba Hizam Irabot. The Arambai Tengol warriors offered floral tributes to portraits of the martyrs and also observed a 2-minute silence in honor of the departed souls. Kabui brethren also took part in offering tribute to the brave hearts of the occasion. Thousands of members of Arambai Tengol from across the valley of Manipur marched till Thao to take part in the observance. Speaking on the occasion, one of its leaders appealed to all to be prepared to protect the state at all times, adding, "Who will save the motherland, the community, if we don't? Let's always respect and remember the brave hearts who happily laid down their lives for the motherland," he exhorted.
Amadi kogi Arambai athauba sing ireiba ki damat I katuna thoi padapi rosi mokai aham mokali kai khumaba utnaba koi sem sarji Arambai athauba sing ireiba ki damat thoi na padapi roba thauba sing mo ikai khumaba utsi.
After the ceremony at Thao Ground, thousands of Arambai warriors marched to Kangla via Nagamapal Road and BT Road. They entered Kangla from its western gate and took oath in unison in front of the shrine of Lining Thosana Mahi to protect Manipur's unity and integrity.
Imana thingna de yagra banina ranna ya khana lai ko koi mari mo papa lagi roi dra badai kari ba ko bhi doi na nang ye se ba ma ta pang bang ka ki je da ko da la Iba tago ke nang ne chale ba ne ba ke se ba ta de no apa pa to oy koi ngai ko lagi na ba po po tinang na awai mo ne ima le ba tinang na ma che mo ne ima gi mo sige mo ba je mo la ba se nei pa ne su da nei pa kau na ba nei ta